In today's video, I'll show you on how you can import the setting file to MetaTrader 5 platform. So basically, let's head over to the MetaTrader application, and once inside, what you want to do is to find the file location for MetaTrader. Fortunately, MetaTrader has made this easier for its users, so you can simply click on the file option, click on open data folder, and we will be taken to the MetaTrader 5 application data folder. From here, you want to find a settings called tester. This is going to be the setting folder, and simply inside you then want to paste your settings that you want to import to MetaTrader 5. So the file extension or the file format should be .sat, and right after that you simply want to close the application, open it back in, and from there you have successfully imported the setting file to MetaTrader 5. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.